Commercial baits attract small fish. These 3 homemade baits with exclusive recipes. Summer fishing can be a disaster due to small fish pestering. For this reason, many anglers have changed their bait usage methods, replacing commercial baits with vegetarian baits. Although this keeps small fish away, pure vegetarian baits are lacking in flavor, and their fish-attracting effect is not prominent. Therefore, here are 3 excellent homemade baits for summer crucian carp fishing. Importantly, the materials are simple, the production is easy, and the effect is quite good. 1 homemade rice bait. Rice grains are soft and small in size, so crucian carp can easily suck them into their mouths, making it easier to catch bites. We can directly hook rice grains for fishing, or process them a little. Ingredients: 100 grams rice, 10 grams koji wine, 5 grams honey. Preparation method: pour all ingredients into a basin and stir well, then cover with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. It will be ready for hooking to catch crucian carp the next day. 2 homemade wheat grain bait. Wheat grains have a natural cereal fragrance, which is not very attractive to small fish, but big crucian carp are fond of them. In summer when small fish are active, using wheat grains as bait can help target big fish while avoiding small ones. However, hooking wheat grains directly has a poor effect on catching crucian carp. We need to process them to fully exert their potential. Ingredients: 500 grams wheat grains, 100 grams koji wine, 20 grams brown sugar, 10 grams honey. Preparation method: first, soak the wheat grains in clean water for 24 hours, changing the water 2 to 3 times midway. After soaking, pour them into a pot and cook. Then drain the water, add brown sugar and honey, stir well, finally pour in koji wine, seal for preservation, and it will be ready for hooking to catch crucian carp after a week. 3 homemade broad bean bait. Broad beans have a fishy bean smell, which has a certain penetrating power underwater, and the plant protein they are rich in is exactly what crucian carp need daily. However, they cannot be used directly as bait, we need to process them first. Ingredients: 100 grams fresh broad beans, 20 grams corn flour, 10 grams light bran, 40 grams fishing line powder. Preparation method: peel the broad beans, dry them in the sun to remove moisture, then grind them into fine powder. Add corn flour, drawing powder, and clear water, stir well, and knead into a dough. After 10 minutes, it will be ready for catching crucian carp. Well, that's all for today's sharing. I hope these 3 homemade baits will help you in wild fishing, so you no longer have to worry about small fish disturbing your nest. If you try making them, remember to come back and leave a reply, so we can all witness your glorious moment of catching big fish together. Do you have other homemade bait recipes? If so, leave them in the comment section, and we can exchange and learn from each other. Author profile: I am a self-media blogger who loves fishing and is good at sharing. Follow me, and we will exchange fishing skills and discuss every bit of wild fishing for anglers. Give a like, save, and follow so you won't miss the next update.